Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be discussing non-compartmental analysis, specifically focusing on single ascending dose study. I'll guide you through the process from uploading your data to preparing it for further analysis. To start, we need to upload our dataset. Begin by clicking on Upload Dataset. Select your single ascending dose data file. Let's say it's named single ascending dose data.csv. Once selected, click Open and then Done to finalize the upload. Make sure your dataset is correctly uploaded and ready for analysis. Next, we will run a new task. Click on Run a new task and you'll be prompted to enter a name for the task. For instance, you might name it SAD_NCA. Leave non-compartmental analysis as the default option and click Next. Now, choose the dataset you just uploaded and click Next again. In step 3, apart from manual and automatic mapping of primary and secondary variables, there's an option to provide grouping variables also. You might notice that the dataset, there were two columns related to dose. One is amount and the other is dose. The amount column represents the dose administered at time 0 for each subject, while the dose column is used as a grouping variable here in our analysis. Coming back to the application, select the dose column for grouping purposes. The system will then display the number of subjects in each dosing group. So here you can see that we have 10 subjects in each dosing group. Proceeding to step 7, because all the other steps are like what we observed for a single dose study. Here in step 7, we see that there are some additional figures that are generated. These include parameter versus group plots, like for example Tmax versus dose, Cmax versus dose, and AUC versus dose. So these plots are useful for visual exploration of parameter across the study groups and for evaluating whether the study is ready for dose proportionality analysis or not. If you prefer, you can also edit these plots. For example, you can switch from violin plots to box plots if that's easier to interpret. Editing figures are discussed in separate videos. Once you have reviewed the results, click Next to reach the View Results page and download the raw result data by clicking on Download and save it as a CSV file on your system. After saving the file, click Complete to return to the study dashboard. Usually, the step following single ascending dose NCA is to perform a dose proportionality. To prepare for dose proportionality analysis, upload the downloaded CSV file by clicking Upload Datasets once more. Select the file you just saved and click Open. Confirm the upload by clicking Done. Your dataset is now ready for dose proportionality analysis. We have covered how to upload your single ascending dose study data, run non-compartmental analysis on that, and prepare results for dose proportionality analysis. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll delve deeper into dose proportionality analysis. Thanks for watching and see you next time.